Namaste and a very warm welcome to part 2 of the quantum meditation mini-series that we're doing for the Instagram meditations on our regular Thursday slot. I'm still in Czech Republic, so this is going to be a pre-recorded meditation for you guys. Let's dive in. Okay, so quantum meditation, what do I mean by that? Very simply, taking a quantum leap, moving away from the old patterns and behaviors and the mental emotional patterns, the stress, the anxiety, fear, all those kind of base emotions that hold us back and create tension in our body. By going quantum, it's taking a step into a transcendent space. And what I mean by that is a space where you're simply in the present moment, in a place of relaxed awareness, calm and at peace and connected to the aliveness of this moment. All right, you still with me? Great stuff. Now, the tools that we use to step into that space is what I call being grounded in presence and open. Grounded, present and open. And the tools that we use to get into that space is connecting to something that pulls you into the moment, listening to sounds, feeling the body, connecting to the body, following a breath. Yeah, it's not looking for something esoteric or anything that's far away, it's connecting with your direct experience. So join me now, take a breath, listen to sounds, and hold the intention to move into the present moment. Intention simply means the inner tension, an intention, a subtle softness. Yeah, a subtle softness. And what that means is that we're not trying to get somewhere, but staying soft, just having the intention to move into the present moment. Breathe in, feel that energy flowing into your body, your chest expanding. As your chest expands, you start to connect with the heart space. When your lungs are full, there's a moment of stillness when you're neither breathing in nor out. And as you exhale, there's that feeling of letting go, just let go. And this is so important in moving into a place of coherence, of awareness, of relaxed presence, is that attitude of acceptance, non-resistance, not trying to hold on to anything, not trying to argue with the reality of this moment, simply letting go of the past. It is what it is, it's done. Letting go of the future, any kind of projections that are creating tension. It's okay to think about the future, but when it creates tension through anxiety or worry, or creating stories in your imagination that may not happen and most likely won't happen. We create these projections, these imaginations, and just connecting to the aliveness of the here and now. So the baseline of your movement, your momentum through life is from the present. And what that feels like is being in a space of relaxed awareness. Using the breath to guide you there, to take your hand, your attention into the body. And just following that flow, moving into flow and connecting to your nature. Your nature is a space of relaxed awareness, joy, presence, contentment. There's an easiness to it, being in a flow, an easy, relaxed awareness. So that's the sweet spot that you find in the present moment. Just following a breath, and listening to a sound. Sometimes for some people following the breath is difficult, and that's okay. Then just simply listen to sounds. Like waiting for somebody really important to ring the phone. You're just listening, waiting, being present. And relax. Just letting go. There's so much that goes into our mental energy. We think about so many things that we have to take care of right now. Just let them go. Let it go and relax. And go soft no resistance. Let your body go soft. Let your body go soft. And you'll notice that especially as you breathe out. When you exhale, the body naturally relaxes. When you place your awareness on the out breath, your body naturally relaxes. Let your body guide you into that space. It's the very nature, the innate force that is within us is to move towards balance and harmony. Our whole system is designed to move into balance and harmony. So collaborate with that simply by being present, by having the intention to be focused in the present moment. Listening, feeling, sensing, and relax there. Follow a breath. Feel the air within and around you, the clothes against your skin, the aliveness of the moment. Grounded in presence. Now the heart space, connecting with the heart, being open, comes naturally as you breathe in. The heart gently expands like a flower opening towards the sun. And the heart intelligence is there, communicating with you through emotion, energy and motion. So often, even before the brain really acknowledges what's happening, the heart will respond. There might be an emotion, a feeling, a sensation, an intuition. So the heart is like a container for that language, for those communications to arise. And in quantum meditation, it's simply to acknowledge whatsoever is alive in your heart space. So not judging or resisting or selecting what I want to feel and what I don't want to feel. Simply being present with whatsoever you feel. And it may be uncomfortable, and that's okay. But where you step up, where you expand into that, simply holding that emotion, sensing, feeling or imagining it within the container of your heart space. In your chest, you may feel it as a color or a sensation, an energy. It may also be in your belly. You may be finding tension in your lower back. Your shoulders might get tense. And just let it go. Go soft, stay soft, relax. No resistance to it. And then breathe, sense, feel or imagine breathing that feeling into your heart space, into your chest. Really full breath. And as you breathe out, just feel it, relax with it. Maybe some tears come, maybe laughter, maybe joy, maybe silence. Your heart might start quickening, it's okay. Whatever you're feeling, just stay with it. Give it space. Invite an insight to arise from that. Guidance, intuition. But feel the feeling, feel into the feeling, so important. And then from there, from that relaxed awareness, from being grounded, holding the emotion, it may be positive, it may be uncomfortable, but just being present with it. From there you follow the energy. What action can I take now? Maybe my body wants to shake. Let the tension go. Maybe there's nothing to do, it's just move into a space of acceptance. Maybe just follow the breath. Allow your breathing to fall into a natural rhythm. Calm. When your breathing's in a natural rhythm, the heart starts to resonate, to calm down. As the heart calms down, the survival mind, the anxiety, the fear becomes less. Or whatever the emotion is that activated within you becomes more stable, becomes more calm. So these are the steps. Connecting to the aliveness of this moment in all its aspects, yet with awareness. Connected to the breath. Falling into the now. Falling into your nature. This is the reality of this moment. Being at peace with that. No resistance. Not trying to run away or numb it out or change it, just simply being. And trusting the body, the breath, to find that balance, to resolve, to move into harmony. Breathing in, moment of stillness. Breathing out, moment of stillness. Trust that flow. Trust that flow. And relax and let go. And then from that stillness, from that peaceful quiet, give space or invite an insight to arise. Or simply go deeper into the silence and relax. Follow your energy. Trust your heart. And relax there in your nature. And so it is. So as you move through your day, know that this space is always available to you. Thank you so much for sharing your presence in today's meditation, and I shall see you in the next session. Namaste, Gaso. So much love. Take care.